Okay, this is a video on the Koehler 350 kW generator. Big giant fuel tank underneath. We're gonna fire it up here in just a second, let you hear it run. I believe it's about, I don't know, 12 foot long and at least 5 foot wide. It is a biggie. So anyway, I already turned the master switch on. All we gotta do is flip the little switch here and she'll fire up. Has 117 hours, look at that. Here we go. Generator, this is the one for you. Brand new. Fairly good. 117 hours. Has a Detroit 92 power. That's it. Right here. Shut that off. Has fresh batteries in it. And that is the video on the 350 kW generator. So there you have it. Thank you.